Alright folks, we about to react to Duke Dennis getting girls' numbers with a flip phone in Miami. If y'all don't know who Duke Dennis is, he came from the 2K community. He be doing this thing though. He drops regular videos now. He don't just like stick to 2K content, which I'm proud of the man. And he bought his mom's house not too long ago, which is a big accomplishment. But let's get into the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications, man, so you know when I'm dropping my reactions. Also, make sure you share this video. Share with your mama, your cousin, your daddy, your auntie, your grandpa, your baby's baby. Share the video, man. We're on the road to 150. I believe we are at 134. We were at 134. I'm not sure where we're at now. But it don't even matter because we on our grizzly grind. We're not letting that sub count stop us from nothing, man. We're going to get there with God's willing. So let's get into the video. And again, ring that bell, hit the subscribe button. Do them two things. It don't cost you nothing. It's literally free. But let's jump into the video and see what's hitting for, man. Turn me up, don't turn me down. Let's get it. Duke done got dreads too. His dreads are he's getting kind of lengthy.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro. That merch out too, man. Link in the description, man.
I like the merch. That merch is nice.
Hey, the board say Q and Dirt.
Not fucking nothing.
Nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head.
No, not me.
Yeah, Duke here, he getting some hang time on the dreads.
And Dirt, not gonna
He had a do-rag on for a minute covering it up, so he got a little length to it.
Wait, what you think, man? You think you gonna hit something while you down here, man? Think you gonna hit something?
I'm just enjoying the scenery. I'm not hitting nothing.
I feel you, my brother. I ain't hitting nothing while I'm down here.
Criminal.
Huh?
He said smooth criminal. We don't talk about what we doing. You feel me?
Last night.
We ain't gotta talk about it.
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man,
I'm messing with that. Hey,
ain't no telling what
the
he
truck
did.
hat is nice.
Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What they at? God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money.
I like Duke grill too, man. His grill
with this flip phone right here, man.
That's what I want. I want to get some tops like that. All VVS's.
Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy.
He said, goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy.
Hey, yeah, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers do I can get with this flip phone right here?
I think he's gonna get about maybe 3, 4. How many numbers y'all think you gonna get up in the comments, man?
Okay. I think when you put them on, you might get about a good 10.
But I'm
you might get
secure
a
the
good
number
10.
first. I'm like, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number, type boom, boom. And when they say yeah, I'm like,
pull that bitch out.
what? So I'm gonna pull it out, and then I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too.
It's not about the phone,
I just bought it
man.
for like $30. 30, right here, 30. Ain't about 30.
He said about 30.
Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was just gonna say the same.
Yes, sir.
Look at her, she all up in his face.
Look, you on you.
Hold on a minute. Hey, the girls in Miami be wild, boy. Like, the spring break be coming and they be getting wild with it down there, yo. Like, she don't even know that man from a can of paint. Walked up on him like she was his woman. Oh, sleep. Touching on him and shit.
Yeah, man. Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers.
She like, you got some pretty eyes.
Hey,
I just
Chad,
wanted to
man.
tell you.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay.
Look at her, girl.
Can I
Go
take a
sit
picture?
your skinny butt down. Look, can I take a picture?
Say,
It's like, give
You know
me.
he's taking my picture.
Give my left side.
I swear to God, he not.
bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Look, you see, look at her. She's like, get the good side, okay?
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Nigga doing a whole video. This bitch think keep taking a picture.
You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was a fucking.
How you doing?
Look at my head. That's her.
She don't even know who he
On
is.
YouTube. That could be on Snap.
Oh yeah, yes ma'am.
He's like, oh yeah, yes ma'am.
Yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
I gotta record.
But you can't be in it.
Yeah, he could be in it, man.
He like, nah, I'm the cameraman. Don't put me in it.
I love it. What y'all doing? What y'all get into?
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Yeah, I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone?
Hey, she said, that's your
You
phone.
like that right there? Hey, you right there right there.
That's your phone?
Come on, your number or not, man.
Put that back up.
She said, put that back up. I can't even do it.
Hold on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do
You
it.
don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. You judging niggas off their phone?
Exactly. You damn.
Fuck that, though. You
See what I mean? These women out in Miami be wild. She don't even know the man, but letting them touch all on her booty and stuff.
Nah, I just bought this.
You know what I mean,
I'm just doing
though?
it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah,
She
hopefully.
said, hopefully.
I do need your number for real, though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. N-I-C-H-O-L-E.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For sure. Nice to meet you, though.
Nice to meet you too.
You get so polite.
Oh, yeah, I'm down, though.
Alright, bet. Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy came
Yeah.
from the military, hustling. Now he getting back
Hey,
to his
people
job.
in Florida be having some wild dreads, man. They should just be
Oh, yeah, boy, for real.
loose
I know
and free
his story.
form with it.
Going crazy.
You know, I be on the TikTok, like, they be
I
like,
already know who you is.
You know,
what I'm saying? I know.
You like, all right, you already know I am.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on, now. I would say do-rag Duke, but that boy got the...
Oh,
That boy got the dreads now. Ain't no more do-rag
Yeah, that boy
do.
do out here. That boy
What you
turned
got
to a
going on?
Florida
though?
boy, man.
What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what you
look.
out here doing, but I want to hear you
I'm
tell
out-
me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash the Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
That's what I do right
He
here.
said, that's what I do right there. That's just me.
For what?
Hey,
Then I'ma
smash
drop a
it.
little
Hey, look,
TikTok,
I'm not
you
just
know?
gonna be smashing. I'm bringing them back. I need
You
you.
actually smashed it.
Yeah. Come on, now.
I'm with you. I be seeing you,
Yeah.
boy. You be going
Hey,
crazy
man.
as hell,
We
boy.
all be working. All them boys be working.
Oh, yeah,
Real
working.
quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah,
People
but hey,
don't.
my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey, man, look, extra wavy, look.
Huh?
Remember?
His name Wavy. The man ain't even got no waves. Come on, man. Come on, man. Where the waves at? Why you name Wavy? Name don't even go with the hair. Come on now.
Remember the name.
Man,
Remember the
they done
face.
seen you,
Be on
man.
the place, man.
Man,
Yeah.
they see you all over
Yeah.
TikTok, man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my like.
You gotta get serious, man.
If I keep my laugh in,
Get real serious on him. If you start laughing, they ain't gonna take you serious.
I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it.
Because I do watch y'all. I got it. My kids.
Well, she said your
What you say?
your
Oh
finest.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too, man. For sure.
Ooh, okay. She decent.
Come here, man. Hey, look.
She said yes, you can.
Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have
All right, man. I can't do it, man. I can't do it.
can't do
No.
You can't
Yeah, no. I'm doing.
Not
I'm
the
trying.
flip phone.
Not the
I'm
flip
trying
phone.
to keep a straight
You keep
face.
laughing every time they say not the flip
What are you
phone.
trying to do with the flip phone?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You
if
gotta
I-
be more serious.
if
That's
I
why I
start
just
laughing,
say
I
you gotta
can
be
get it,
more
though.
serious.
Yeah.
That laughing, they ain't taking you serious.
Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
You gotta be like 10
Straight
times more
up,
serious.
straight up type
You like,
shit.
you feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke,
put-
can I
put
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
you feel me?
yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yeah,
And
without
then, and
laughing.
then she start laughing, you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
Like,
at?
what the fuck you laughing at?
Yeah,
Feel me? Give me your number. You gonna give it, you're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Huh?
Oh, word? Okay.
He said
bet,
word?
so
All right.
bet. You lifting your back toe like you
I know a better posture.
What the hell?
Hey,
Wait a minute. Wait, why did he just drop to the ground like a dog on all fours? Wait a minute. Then he called him Dookie. What is that one of Aiden's boys? One of Aiden's fans? The hell? Heck no.
If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you, boy.
Not testing your limits.
Fuck out you, boy.
Can I get like 30 seconds?
Yeah.
That man dropped on the ground quick as hell.
He's
You want a picture with me, bro?
You a pussy, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga. What's up?
And the YouTubers go out to Miami, they everybody be on, you know. YouTube people go out to Miami, they fans be on them. Duke tall as hell too.
Yeah. What's up?
Duke got that little old man laugh, like a cool laugh.
Thank you.
Tell her to
I
come
think
here.
a laugh be having me dying.
Amaya.
Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
She just laughing.
Hey, dude, nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
He said, shit. Evacuate. Abort, abort.
Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Okay.
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good over there, bub. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Hey, look,
Oh,
it's
shit,
a lot
so
of women
Chicago
really
niggas
from
walk
Chicago
out,
out
They
there in
was finna
Miami.
Get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
It's a lot of Chicago women out there.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
Oh no! Wait! The bundles. You feel me? Forget a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you.
She said
yesterday.
they already
Oh,
poofy.
you was looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
Matter of fact, man, come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
She said, stop playing. She don't sound like she from Chicago. She sound like she's from
Desi, nigga. Desi.
New York or
Desi,
something.
Desi,
You got a Daddy, you got a boyfriend?
She said, Desi, nigga.
Do you have a
What?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
Why is she calling them niggas so much?
I feel you. Now I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta, though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay.
You always
man,
saying
put your-
type
put
shit.
your-
Pull that motherfucker.
Put your number right there.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to say? Yeah, man.
Goofy
Telefono?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip.
She said, what are you, a drug dealer?
Give me the real shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the scamming line.
No, I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it,
I
man.
know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
That's cool. I know who it is.
It's Desi. Desi, say that shit twice.
I see you
Desi.
type that shit
It's
twice.
Desi. Say that shit twice.
You know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Everybody looking for Duke, huh?
Oh, y'all really? As a matter of fact, yeah, what's up?
What's
Yeah,
up?
can I get a picture?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
Everybody
She
telling
on
them
you.
Duke
You
you
got a boyfriend?
No, you better go.
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Where's the
Where's the actual? Which fan am I need that action.
Where who?
They asking for Phantom.
Yes, sir,
Kai.
man.
Where's Phantom at?
Hey, look,
Tell him to holler at me.
Hey, look,
Tell
don't
him to
even
holler
worry,
at me.
man.
I
Don't
want
even-
Chris. Fuck that.
Hey, look, man.
Chris.
Where y'all from?
New York.
Damn.
So you already know the vibe.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Hey, look,
already know the
New York-
vibes.
New York motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
They sound like they're from New York.
I got you, bro. I'll just fuck around. I'll just
I
always
know.
fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell
I-
Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy.
So I smoke a little hookies with you.
What's up?
Well, I'm Dominican too.
Yes, I'm Dominican too. Back at the house. Dave over there too. Everybody there. Dude gotta stop keeping the cap on his hair, man. He gonna make his dreads flat. His hair at that ugly stage, you don't want to be showing it.
About to go down.
His dreads long.
Switch that shit, bro. They be switching that shit.
Somebody had to tell him to do that, though.
Hey, you really gotta change that. Oh, nah, bro. That's my
Afraid of Isaiah beefing over a charge.
It's a little altercation.
You changed it now.
What?
You changed it now, right?
Oh, you here?
Yeah, he got the whole D block out there. He got Davo out there, Chris. Got everybody out there.
I'm working.
Do like I'm working. Do your thing. What the heck going on that golf cart?
But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. But no bullshit,
strip
bro.
going crazy.
Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me?
Chilling.
I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. Not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like chase after them, bro. If they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie.
You just cool, and ain't nothing
I
wrong with it.
don't give a fuck. Hey. Yeah, hold on. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where, baby?
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours.
Dang, it's just 7 hours from there.
Yeah.
You had a
All the
boyfriend
people
then, right?
don't come in a regular Florida from like Chicago from Florida is probably cool little minute.
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking about type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone.
Yeah, man, you need to put your number in here type shit.
Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. You did, I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I just want, you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yep. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Sit down. I need a good picture, okay?
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, what a black one. I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Huh?
Oh my God.
He said, oh my goodness.
He around this motherfucker.
Take my pic.
How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
They asked him all kind of questions. What y'all doing tonight? Can I slide in?
I know I was looking for old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no picture. I want a video. I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey.
Huh?
To see if they shining.
I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey.
But they be like, y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him.
Huh?
What y'all doing? Why you asking?
My homeboy
She said, y'all know what it is. Stop playing with them.
So we trying. We didn't know what we wanted to do. Go to pool party, trying to figure out what.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
You. No, what's your number?
Right, she said, no, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
You too grown to be lying.
Oh, I'm not lying at all.
She said, you too grown to be lying.
I'm not lying.
He pulling out that flip phone and they think he trapping.
See what you know what I'm saying?
That's how y'all be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro. Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. There's gonna be one person that do that.
I think they would go for the flip phone if he stopped laughing. Every time he pulled out, he dead ass laughing.
We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. Too active, so we had to come back.
He said we was here last week. It was too active. We had to come back.
Yeah, till like Monday, I think.
I'm here till Monday. I'm already tired of this shit though.
Tired.
Tired?
What you mean tired? What you mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga
I seen him last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on. Oh, yeah.
He said tired.
Y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all.
That's because they all trying to just jump on girls out there. What the hell are you running for?
You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying?
Why is everybody running?
Take it. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Running with the camera.
I know, nigga. I see you running, nigga.
He said, I see you running, nigga, with your scary ass.
You gotta run, bro.
Hey, what
Somebody
my
must have been
homeboys at,
shooting
though,
or
man?
something.
They going to be in it? What is?
I saw them.
Hi. What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, what?
Yeah, I knew they started shooting.
No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he
said my mama's
right
nigga
there,
ran,
bro.
bro.
On my mama, bro. On my mama, I looked at you. You took off. You probably stopped. But you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This
He
cap,
said you
man.
definitely ran, bro.
I
Oh, my mom, you definitely ran,
I
bro.
saw you start to go and then you.
Nigga, you start jogging.
Look. I done like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
Hey, that nigga Duke took off running, talking about all I did was hop the fence. I didn't run. If it's show time to go, it's show time to go. The old boy busting him out. Duke capping.
I see you. I see you
running.
goddamn start doing shit. So I'm like, all right, I'm
Look, right over here, I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, CB, chill.
CB, chill.
Hey, you know what?
I stopped like where the tree was at.
I'm gonna get on my door right now.
I bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get
Another
your
hour.
number.
My number?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
let me put it
He
in.
said, yes, ma'am. Look, I'm telling you, they really not going because that man keep laughing. He ain't being serious with it. And I'll pull that phone out with confidence. Stop playing with me.
Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, babe.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo. Yo. Yo. This it right here? Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass. Huh?
Hold on. Okay, so she went for it. She put the number up in the flip phone. The rest of them girls was like, where your real phone at? Okay.
Yo.
That's the one that he didn't even talking to right there because she didn't care what kind of phone he had.
I fuck with that right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, bro. What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something.
Yeah.
Right? Man, $70K for the part 2 in Atlanta.
He
man.
do
No
need to do.
cap,
He
man.
need to do a part 2.
Getting females' number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing.
He said they rizzing me up, bro. What the hell
That's
rizzing
a lot of
me?
motherfucking problem, bro. Like every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro.
Whole time they
The
really
niggas
not,
just
right,
chasing,
dude?
bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what you say your name was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice
You
to
do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey,
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yep, put your phone in there right there, man. Oh shit! You know what?
She was going for it too.
You are a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man.
Dude probably got all kind of
Straightforward,
numbers.
though.
Numbers that he ain't even gonna call, text
Well,
or call
I
to
see
people back.
right
He ain't
there,
gonna,
man.
he
This
ain't
is my
gonna know
friend.
who the hell
This
is
is
who.
my friend Pari.
I just bought this
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay. Do I look good? I'm a famous TikToker.
He said, do I look good? Her ass hanging all out.
Pari the brat. I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet
Booty
you,
hanging
man.
out the bottom of the shorts.
Nice to meet you,
Okay.
too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro.
Person ain't even got
Why
a
the
window.
fuck
They just seen
I
everything
come
already.
back from being on the strip. Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see.
You hear that motherfucker got no clue.
I'm sneak this and
He said they got fat bitches eating all the snacks.
Sharing is caring, but nigga, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They goddamn, she going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears. The fellas tripping,
And the
man.
fellas tripping, man.
Damn, bro.
Duke ass is funny. Yo. He said, I come back, they got all the fat bitches eating all the snacks. I ain't even had no chips yet, and she eating them up. Let me know if y'all was messing with that reaction, man. But until next time, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you know when I'm dropping my reactions. Also, share the video. Share with your mama, your cousin, your daddy, your auntie, your grandpa, your baby, your baby's baby, your baby that's still brewing. Share the video, man. We're on the road to 1 million, man. So make sure y'all do them 2 things. Ring that bell, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing to do that. It's literally free. So, I mean, if you're going to watch the video, you might as well support the sister by liking and subscribing. But until next time, turn me up. Don't turn me down. Let's get it.